Now I speak as Bashar, not as B-Glock. I still feel you here, even though you're gone. The city lights reflect in my room. Another night fighting the same song. Your memory appears unannounced, like a ghost that knows my address. Your perfume still lingers on my clothes. Even as time passes, it never fades. And every time I close my eyes, I see you again, walking among the shadows. And I don't know how to get you out of my mind. Everything reminds me of what we used to be. Now the nights are longer since you left. I try to forget you, but you always come back to me. I miss the way you looked at me, like no one else existed. I miss your presence in the early morning, when the world out there goes dark. And even if I say I'm okay, you know I'd be lying, because I still chase your memory every time the cold night arrives. The streets are still the same, but something changed inside me. Since you've been gone, no, it feels the same here. I listen to our favorite music, trying to understand what happened, but the answers never come, only the echo of your voice. And sometimes I think I see you in the crowd, facts, but you disappear when I'm right in front of you. Maybe the problem is that I never got over you. Maybe I'm still where I left you. The hours pass slowly, the days lose their color, since you took a piece of my heart with you. I miss the way you looked at me, as if no one else existed. I miss your presence in the early morning, when the world out there goes dark. And even if I say I'm okay, you know I'd be lying, because I still chase your memory every time the cold night silence. Bashar. And even though I move on, the nights when you reappear,